Mercurial and capricious, storms flit ghost-like across the Earth, and uncaring of the consequences, cause heat waves in Sydney and hurricanes in Kent. These are the satellite pictures which show the hurricane of October 1987 sweeping north from the Bay of Biscay towards the south coast of Britain. The aftermath of such an event is a harsh reminder that weather is one of the more unpredictable features of our daily life. For 100 years, scientists have struggled to find the rules that govern our weather, hoping that this would enable them to produce accurate long-range forecasts. We now know that they struggled in vain, but even with today's technology, the task is simply too big. The European Centre for Medium-Range Weather Forecasts is the most advanced meteorological centre in the world. Here they try to make sense of the diversity of our weather. Every day, 100 million measurements gathered from around the world are fed into an enormous computer model of the Earth's atmosphere.
What we do is divide the atmosphere up into segments that are about 100 kilometres by 100 kilometres in the horizontal and about 1 kilometre in the vertical. And it takes about 1 million of these segments to represent the whole atmosphere. And every day we run the model to produce a weather forecast for 10 days into the future. Now on the present machine, which is essentially one of the most powerful computers in the world, this takes about 3 hours, just under 3 hours of computing time to produce a 10-day forecast. Now, to give you some idea of the complexity that's involved with all these interactions going on, every second of that 3-hour integration period, the computer performs about 400 million calculations.
As recently as 20 years ago, this ability to compute 400 million calculations per second was simply inconceivable. Indeed, in 1959, meteorologist Edward Lorenz was more than satisfied with the 17 calculations per second that his brand new computer could perform. With it, he